Ever believed that more sleep equals less tiredness? Today, we're going to challenge that myth. In our fast-paced world, we often find ourselves trapped in a cycle of exhaustion, constantly chasing elusive good sleep. But what if I told you that the secret to feeling energized isn't necessarily sleeping more, but sleeping better? That's right. The quality of your sleep often matters more than the quantity. It's a common misconception that the more hours you clock in, the less tired you'll feel. But in reality, it's about optimizing your sleep, syncing it with your natural rhythm, and understanding its different stages. So, if you're feeling frustrated even after a long sleep, or if you're part of the 35% of Americans getting less than 7 hours of sleep per night, affecting your productivity and well-being, this video is for you. Remember, it's not about how much you sleep, it's about how well you sleep. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who redefined her sleep and transformed her life. Sarah's nights were restless, filled with tossing and turning. Insomnia became her unwelcome companion, leaving her drained and unfocused each day. She was caught in a cycle of exhaustion, her sleep struggles spilling over into her work, her relationships, her life. But then Sarah stumbled upon the concept of sleep chronotypes. She discovered she was a night owl, not an early bird, as she had always thought. This revelation was a game changer. Sarah adjusted her routine to align with her natural rhythm. Suddenly, sleep was no longer a battleground, but a sanctuary of rest. The transformation was astounding. She started falling asleep faster, sleeping deeper, and waking up feeling refreshed. Her mood improved, and she found focus she hadn't experienced in years. Quality sleep isn't just a dream, it's a reality you too can achieve. Want to sleep like Sarah? Here's how you can optimize your sleep. The first step is identifying your sleep chronotype. Are you an early bird, up at the crack of dawn, or a night owl, feeling most awake when the moon is high? Your chronotype isn't just a preference. It's a biological rhythm that can make a big difference in how well you sleep. By aligning your sleep schedule with your natural rhythm, you can improve the quality of your rest. Now let's talk about sleep cycles. Each night you cycle through 4 stages of sleep, from light sleep to deep sleep to rapid eye movement or REM sleep. Disrupting these cycles, for example, by waking up in the middle of a deep sleep phase, can leave you feeling groggy and unrested, even after a long night's sleep. Understanding these cycles can help you time your sleep for maximum restfulness. Next, we have the power of the pre-sleep routine. The hour before you go to bed is crucial for setting the stage for a good night's sleep. Try dimming your lights to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Keep your room cool. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal, and establish a pre-bed routine, like reading or listening to calming music, to help your mind shift into sleep mode. Lastly, remember that feedback is your fuel. Tracking your sleep quality can help you spot patterns and refine your habits. You can use apps like Sleepcycle or simply keep a sleep journal. Take note of when you go to bed and wake up, how you feel in the morning, and any factors that might affect your sleep, like caffeine or stress. Start tracking your sleep quality tonight and be ready to discover some surprising patterns. You might find that you're a night owl trying to live like an early bird, or that your late-night Netflix habit is disrupting your sleep cycles. But remember, knowledge is power. With this information, you can start to make changes that will lead to better sleep and more energy in your daily life. Now, it's your turn to transform your sleep and your life. You've heard about the science, you've seen the impact, and you've learned the strategies. Now it's time to take action. Let's start by tracking your sleep quality for the next 3 nights. You can use a sleep tracking app or simply keep a journal. This will give you a baseline, a starting point from which to improve. Next, share one surprising thing you've learned about your sleep patterns in the comments below. Maybe you're actually a night owl, or perhaps you're waking up during your deepest sleep stage. Whatever it is, let's learn and grow together. Finally, commit to making one change in your pre-sleep routine this week. It could be as simple as dimming the lights an hour before bed, or maybe it's time to put that alarm clock across the room. Remember, the quality of your sleep determines the quality of your life. Sleep smarter, live better. Share your sleep journey in the comments, and let's embark on this journey to better sleep together.